welcome to Kusina Chubby Hands, and now we're going to make Korean fried chicken. You can use different parts of the chicken, but for this recipe, I'm using chicken wings. So we just have to pat dry using kitchen towel and season with salt and pepper. Add minced ginger together with the salt and pepper. But if you want, you can also add this when you make the sauce. Evenly coat the chicken with cornstarch or potato starch. And just a reminder, if you like to learn more recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Kusina Chubby Hands on YouTube. On medium fire, deep fry the chicken for 6 to 7 minutes or until it's golden brown. So for this recipe, I'm cooking our chicken wings in 2 batches. Do not forget to flip the chicken so it will be evenly cooked. Once cooked, I'm adding the second batch of our chicken wings. Same procedure, fry until it's golden brown. Korean fried chicken is crispier compared to other fried chicken, and the way to do that is to double fry. Place the chicken back into the pan and fry this for another 3 to 4 minutes. Once you're finished frying, then we can start making the sauce. Just a disclaimer, I'm not using any Korean brand here, but it really tastes like a real Korean fried chicken. Do not stir the sauce after you put the vinegar. Let it simmer first for at least 1 minute. For the mustard, it's optional. If you don't have this, it's okay. It will taste like soy and garlic fried chicken, which is another flavor of Korean fried chicken. Make sure to add the sauce while it's still hot. And that's it. Simple and easy. Again, we didn't use any Korean brands or Korean ingredients here, so it's very affordable and you can make this anytime you like. So that's all for me. You don't have to go to Korea to taste the Korean fried chicken. Please don't forget to subscribe to Kusina Charians on YouTube and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified every time we have new updates and uploads. Bye!